63 small block Ford, just got done running it. Everything went great. Give you a description of its combination. It's got the AFR cylinder heads on it. Another Vic Jr. SS650 MSD Pro Billet distributor. The March Serpentine setup with the run the alternator. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at here 3,500. It's 417 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 458. Peak horsepower 495. So we're ready at 500. Front end is about 15, so it runs good. Get her off there, get in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.